I became super profitable the very day I started obeying my rules. Until you learn how to plan your trade and follow your plan, you will always struggle with the market, right? There's a framework behind forex trading. If you really want to become profitable in the financial market, learn how to be disciplined. And this is what has helped me over time to become consistently profitable. A typical example was what happened yesterday. In fact, earlier this week on Monday, I was with my team, right? And I already showed them the chart, based on top-down analysis, that this pair, GPP USD, is going to be on a long buy, and I'm looking to catch over 200 pips on this trade, right? Yesterday, while I was online, right, I saw people, in fact, those that I do normally watch their YouTube channel when I got started, these are old-time mentors. They were actually looking to sell, GBP USD while I was looking for buys, right? And because I've already done my own assignment and I've already have that laid down principles not to follow other people's plan, right? So I decided to knock them off and stick to my plan. Then I was already even on a buy. If it were initial me like 2-3 years ago, I would have closed that buy position and enter for sell, because two people online, these are gurus online, who I respect so much, they were also looking for sell instead of what I was looking for, which was the buy. So I had to stick to my rules. Then I'll follow my rules. Then what happened? It was a buy for GPP USD, right? I know if I had closed my positions and enter for sell, number one, I will be at a loss. Then number two, I will not be happy with myself because I didn't follow my rules. I broke my rules. So if you want to remain consistently profitable in the market, make sure you never break your rules for any reason. Don't break your rules because of a mentor you follow or even because of anything. If you take a loss, let it be that it is your own doing. So be responsible for your action. This was one of the hardest lessons that I had to learn, but the moment I got it and I understood it, I never had to trade it for anything. I don't mind even the trade didn't go my way, but the fact that I stick to my trading plan and I traded my plan, that is what makes you a profitable forex trader. So right now I'm going to be walking you through my chart to see how you also can take advantage of the buy that I'm seeing on GBP USD. All right. But if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trades. I show up here weekly to document my journey and to also share my knowledge with you so that you can become a profitable forex trader in no time by watching and applying, right? So if you get value in this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Then do it to share with your friends so that they can also have access to this video. So right now, let me quickly go through this with you. This is my market structure point of view, right? Now, if you look at this particular chart, the one here, right, is a typical technical analysis way of reading price action, right? Where you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, right? And this one here on the left, on the right side, is for smart money concept, right? The ICT, the SMC people, right? Now, they are all saying the same thing. One thing I want you to take home from here is that, you want to look at the origin of what causes the movement of change of price. So looking at this diagram, typically, you will discover that this is the low that causes the BOS, which is the break of structure of this initial high, right? This was an old high before this new high was created. Then this high came back here, right? Then pushed back up again, then causing another break of structure, right? Making here a higher low, right? Now, when you see movements like this in the market, it shows that we are in a bullish trend. So the only thing you want to be doing is to look for buys, right? And now let's look at this one. This is SMC method. Now, this is the origin, right, that gave rise to this break of structure, right? So whatever happened in between here, right, you are still on a buy trend. So long as this particular low have not been broken, right? Have not been broken. So you can see the way this market came down, right? Came down here. Now this is what we regard as wave, right? These are wave, right? And that does not mean that price has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend, right? So long as you can identify the origin of what causes the break of structure, which is this low, and So long as markets have not break below this low, then you are still in a buying trend. No matter how many sell opportunity you can see from here, you can see those people sold from here to here, from here to here. So long as price have not broken this initial low, you are still in a bullish market, right? And I spotted this particular structure with my student on Monday. That is why I'm able to have my position strong enough that I will only be interested in buying, not selling. You can see this is the what low that caused the break of structure of this initial what high. So price came down, we have a selling, but the moment price gets here, what happened? It pushed up. The only time you want to be looking for a strong sell opportunity is when price breaks below this initial low, right, and come back to it as the retest. They want to be looking for selling opportunity, right? So now let me show you the chart properly so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now on GU, if you look at what's happening right now, this is the low, right, that caused the movement in price that make this recent high got mitigated, right? Now we had our BOS here, break of structure here, right? Now this low, this high is no more valid. This is now the new high, right? Now if you look at what happened, price came down, created lower highs, lower low, right? Now the moment price got back to this initial low, you do see that? What happened? We have this on the weekly time frame, right? This is top-down analysis. We have a very strong bullish engulfing candle. I hope you can see, all right, letting you know that this low is very much valid. So when you spot this and you know that price, SMC, smart money people, they like to move price towards where you have liquidity, right? So now because we have this new high, is the fact that there's liquidity area here, right? Money is residing here. So price, so SMC, we want to push price up to take out this particular high, right? And create another movement, right, to go up. So if you have opportunity to go in for a buy, you shouldn't be looking for ways to sell, right? Now, why other mentors were seeing sell on GU and Euro USD? Because of I am very groomed when it comes to top-down analysis. I stick to my own plan, and I told them we'll be looking for buys, all right? And that is what we've been doing, right? Now let me show you the real chart that I'm currently on. This is GBP USD, right? Now this is my chart. Now you can see we spotted that price came back to this particular low and gave us a double bottom, right? That is the reason why we are looking for buys, and I'm going to be holding this buy up onto this moment, right? Because this is the high that was right that mitigated this initial high, right? Now this is where liquidity resides, right? And I'm waiting for price to come tap on this liquidity and start pushing back up. Very simple, right? Now let's go in deeper. Let me come to the 4-hour time frame so you can see what's happening right now. Now if you look at it right now, this is where I called out the trade, right? This is where I went in for the buy. I gave the signal in my inner circle community, those who are in the VIP and my students, right, in the inner circle. And I told them they took profit from here because I know that there might be a little bit of retracement, but I am currently holding. I closed some of my position here, right? I closed my position here, and we still even enter for more position as at today. You can see we enter for more position, right? So what is currently happening now? Price is currently trying to retest a major key level here, right? You can see, because the moment price broke out of this structure, right, price came back to retest. You can see now broke out, it's coming back to retest, then this move. So once you are able to spot movement like this, there is no need for you to panic, because GBP USD overall is still coming all the way up here, right? And that will be on this particular trade I just added today, that will be over 1:7. Why this one will be giving me about 1:, right? This one 1:7. This is also 1:7, right? So this is an opportunity for you to understand price action, right? So you don't need too many strategy to become a profitable forex trader. See how you can understand price movement from the top-down analysis, then come to the lower time frame and look for your entry. That's just all you need. Stop following all those people that can, make you blow your account, right? It's not as if that they are also wrong, but in forex trading, no one is right, no one is wrong. But the moment you're able to spot or have a trading plan, make sure you trade your plan and never break your rules for any reason. This is what has helped me become a profitable forex trader, and I want you to also inculcate that in your trading habits. Make sure you are not always jumping from one strategy to another strategy, or looking for a mentor to evaluate or evaluate your signal. If you have a signal, execute like a robot, right? And analyze like a professional. If you find value in this video, make sure you like it and share with your friend. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.